As we throttled the bike out of the pits, the SuperSport's first notable trait was its excellent low-end pull. 80% of the bike's torque is available at 3,000 revolutions per minute, and the bike surges up and forward with a growl as soon you twist the right grip. The technical Circuito Monteblanco course and my riding background created a good trial for the SuperSport's performance meets accessibility proposition. During the first track session, the bike was easy to ride, responsive and forgiving while my lines and braking in tight corners were definitely inopportune. The SuperSport's anti-lock brakes, traction control, and nimble maneuverability helped me correct for mistakes without any brake lockups or embarrassing white line crossings. On the track's straight I banged the Ducati through all 6 gears, finding more comfort over 130 miles per hour than anticipated. The motorcycle delivered an adrenaline-satisfying stream of power, while feeling safe and stable at high speed. In between track sessions, the SuperSport's chief engineer, Giuseppe Caprara, guided us through its impressive list of options. 3 different processors link the ABS, traction control, and engine settings, which can be easily adjusted through a button on the bar and the bike's digital instrument panel. Ducati's ride-by-wire electronic throttle control also offers 3 power delivery options for the 406-pound machine. 2017 Ducati SuperSport. Caprara demonstrated multiple ways to configure the SuperSport's performance. For example, the Ducati Traction Control, DTC, which syncs to sensors in the motor and rear wheel to control slippage, has 8 different sensitivity settings. The bike can also run ABS on both brakes, only front or rear, or turned off. Operators can select between sport, touring, and urban riding modes, each of which alter the bike's electronic behavior. Sport brings full engine power, DQS shifting, direct throttle control, and lower levels of ABS and traction control. Touring keeps the motor at 113 horsepower, but adds smoother power delivery and ups the ABS and traction control settings. Urban drops the engine to 75 horsepower, while increasing traction control and ABS sensitivity. After some riding tips from top Ducati test pilot Alessandro Vaglia, we headed out for another track session. To experiment with some of the bike's settings, we asked the Ducati mechanics to turn off the rear brake ABS,